The TPI Model 293 is a full-function digital clamp-on meter. The 293 also carries a 3-year limited warranty. This particular unit is CE approved and UL listed. It's got IEC 1010 overvoltage protection, Cat 2 to 1000 volts, Cat 3 to 600 volts. The 293 measures DC voltages between 0 and 600 volts, AC volts between 0 and 600 volts, AC amperage between 0 and 700 amps. It also measures resistance to 40,000 ohms. It's got a built-in continuity buzzer and a built-in diode test. What's unique about the 293 is that this model also measures frequency up to 10 kilohertz. This is a 4,000 count LCD display with an operating temperature of between -10 and 45 degrees Celsius. Standard 9-volt battery, and suggested lifetime of that battery would be about 80 hours of life.